We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly at the top, we mentioned we are not going to look for buy unless we get the confirmation. And I mentioned whoever get the trade within this, they have to take out the profit, take out the trade. Okay, because we mentioned if there is almost the price at the top, we don't want to buy at the top, and this is what we get. And because if we refer to 15 minutes after we see this down move here, this is where we should start to manage our trades, because as we can see the price start to drop, because this is show the point the price going to reverse. And even if we can see almost at the top of the correction, and beside that I was keep pointing that the price broke the previous top and we are is correcting here. All right, now still we're looking at this correction. We want to see whether we can get the trade set up for buy or not, but the question is how deep it can be. We're looking for the trade as a long term, and in this case we move to forward chart, and we want to see how we can look for forward chart. Based on forward chart, right now we're looking at this one as a flat. Any trade setup for buy, it can give us a good trade setup, because still we can look for this. Okay, but right now we don't have any trade setup, and still we can expect this one turn to deeper correction. But the best things is we get the reversal without breakout of the previous low, because if the breakout, then we can look for expanding, and expanding, it can turn, this one can turn to really deep before we get the trade. Anyway, if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup, and we're looking for the reversal. Any sharp move lag, we will take the trade. When with the breakout of 452, we start to manage. But if this one turns to corrective move similar to what I get here, still we can look for sell. Okay, because we mentioned or analyzed when the price was here. If this one turns to deeper correction, still we can expect the price to take 45, following by 43.5 before we get the reversal. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.